Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. To those who are new here, I am Saloni Mutha. Well, I have created this look using the face lifting technique that is recently trending on Instagram. The main purpose of creating this video is to experiment if this face lifting technique suits every face type and everyone. So yeah, to know how I created this look and to know my review on the face lifting technique, please keep on watching.
Well, no matter what technique you use, a few things remain the same, like neutralizing your dark circles. I'm using the Elegal Pro Conceal HD in the shade orange to neutralize my dark circles as well as the pigmentation around my mouth area. Just blend it in place and make sure you set the color corrector with a little loose powder so that it doesn't move and interfere with the other products like foundation and concealer. Here I'm using the Huda Beauty 4 Filter Foundation in the shade Tres Leche, and I'm adding a drop of MAC Strobe Cream for that dewy effect. Make sure you don't add a lot of strobe cream because doing that will make your base move and it will not be long lasting. You can see the orange color corrector doesn't mix with the foundation at all because we have set it with a loose powder, but make sure you don't use a lot of loose powder because doing so will create dry patches and the foundation will not glide smoothly on those areas. Here is the first step of face lifting technique, that is highlighting. I will be highlighting the inner as well as outer corner of my eye. I'm using the Elegal Pro Conceal HD in the shade Light Ivory for highlighting. On the outer corner, apply concealer right below where your eyeliner wing would be. I'm using the same concealer to highlight high points of my face. So now let's blend the concealer in place to see if that works. Well, I feel the highlighting technique is coming out really well. I mean, I can see my eyes look a lot more lifted than before. And now moving on to the second step, that is contouring. Normally when I contour my face, the direction is from middle of the ear towards the lips. But in the face lifting technique, the direction is from the upper part of the ear towards the lips. Well, I'm a bit skeptical if this technique of cheek contouring will suit my face because I have an oval face shape and it's a bit chubby. I feel my cheeks needs to be contoured really well. I feel this technique provides length to the face but it doesn't do anything to slim it down. I think the face lifting technique will suit people with small and round face. It will provide length to their face and give their face a more lifted look. As the direction of our contour changes, the direction of blush changes as well. In this technique, you can see the blush does not cover apple of the cheek. The cheek contouring has given my face a weird shape. I will be using a loose powder to set my face. I will be uploading the second part of this look consisting of the eye makeup on Sunday. I'm using MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC30 on the areas that I have highlighted before. I'm applying the powder right below my contour so that my contour shows really well. I am using Hoola bronzer by Benefit Cosmetic in the shade Caramel for powder contouring. Here I am using a powder blush by Sephora. So this is the last step of facelifting technique. You can see my eyes and face looks lifted, but it doesn't look slim. So here is the final look, guys. Don't forget to watch a detailed video on this eye makeup which will be uploaded on this Sunday.
Well, the facelifting technique is not for chubby people, at least not for me, because the basic contouring I do on day-to-day basis makes my face look a lot more slim and sharp than this technique. This technique just makes my face look a lot more chubby. So yeah, I'm not very impressed with the technique. Well, you can try it on your own and tell me in the comment section below if that works for you. Till then, take care. Bye.